Okay. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, just drop it in the chat. Drop it in the comments. Let's get started. My name is Mbogam Tiane, and today we are going to talk about what is the market giving us, what is the market showing us today. So if you can't really hear me, make sure that you are opening your, okay, can it be basically, can it be get help from me? I don't know. But if you can hear me loud and clear, just drop it in the chat and say you can hear me loud and clear, so that the people that who can't hear me will realize that we can, and some of you guys can help them here in the comments. Okay, cool stuff. Now, let's get into the market. What do we have in the market today and what are we looking to trade? Please, guys, can you be fast, loud and clear? Thank you so much. Cool stuff. Now, let's get into the market. Let's show you what the market is doing today. How can we respond to that? So I'm going to start off with the usual, which is the news items. I've already sent the economic calendar of today, later this afternoon. Let me show you what the market is set to do or what is scheduled today in the market, according to these. Right? So today we are having what is called the interest rate decision in Canada, but the one also that we have to look at is called durable orders or called durable goods orders this coming afternoon at 2:30 South African time. And later on, we are going to be seeing the interest rate decision in Canada. Let's see how things go in Canada. Then I am hoping for the best on our Canadian trades that we are doing. Okay, awesome stuff. Let's get to the real deal and the real stuff. We are gonna get started with Euro USD for now. Euro USD is one of the trades that I'm still monitoring, but I haven't taken a trade on Euro USD. So there's nothing much that I'll discuss with you. But what I can tell you is that Euro USD, let's go to 1 hour time frame. This is where I was expecting this market to go. Not here, actually. I was expecting this market to come all the way up to this zone, but obviously my other dollar trades are the one that gave me an idea to say let me not invest too much on the dollar. So the other trades that we are looking at, that I have taken on USDCHF. Right? USDCHF is one of the trades or setup that I sent into the group to say let's have a look at it. So yeah, this trade is expected. For me, this is a bearish market, right? This is a bearish market, but there's something significant that is happening here. I think that the cycle is over in this market. We just need to look at the new cycle, which is expected to end around these zones that we have highlighted. We just highlighted this one. This one right here, one of the biggest zones that we can look at. And looking at the other one is GBP/USD. We took a sell order yesterday and another one today. So we're still in good standing with this market. I believe that where we are, we're still in good shape with this market. We're still going towards the downside. However, if anything happens, we are going to close it profit or anything like that. So move this guy to this zone. I think we have some stop losses now. And then USD JPY, is there anything going on? Nothing going on there, except for a possible buy there, but there is nothing that I can say, nothing much that I can say. Okay, cool. And then looking at some other trades, gold is the trade that we took yesterday and on Monday. We took it up there, it was a sell, market hit our level of level we thought market would hit, and market started retracing from there. Somebody was asking me, when can we take a gold trade? I believe that gold is not ready to be taken, right? Looking at this setup right here, right? Looking at this market hasn't been broken. Even if you use it this way, there is this market that we have here, right? So we want this market to be broken, probably in this manner. The market will break out and then change direction for some time, and then continue to the downside. So there is many possibilities on this one, and we are looking at this one very, very, very closely. Okay, awesome stuff. Do we have anything on Euro GBP? Let me clear all these drawings. Do you have anything on Euro GBP? USD CAD, the trade that we took on Monday is now in profit. It's a small trade on my side. We had buy limits below these zones, but we took a trade at breakout, and stop loss was very, very massive and very, very big. But it's cool. We're still gonna hold this trade for quite some time. I think this zone is going to be very important. This zone here is going to be important in terms of taking our profit. This is the zone that you can look for. And then Euro GBP, I missed on a buy entry here. I've been always optimistic in terms of buying here, even though market grabbed the liquidity, pushed and took us out. But market is now back in action. I believe still going to continue. So from top side, but I missed on an entry here. No, nothing to worry about here. Looking at ADNZD, this trade, I was speaking about last week, and you know what the weights did. They pushed the market down, some people out, and then went to the top side. But this was a very beautiful, successful trade that we spoke about the last week, right? And then looking at CHF JPY, I don't really have a solid idea on this one. I think we've taken some couple of trades and still monitoring what's going on, but I don't have a solid idea in terms of what we can do here. I believe there's something that we can look at. Oh, okay. This is lovely. This is beautiful. We're not talking about it in the group, right? Where this market is like to give us some beautiful opportunities. And then CAT CHF, what's going on here? Nothing much. You can be missed out on the sell trade. And then USD, even though I haven't taken USD, it's a trade. This has been a successful idea in terms of looking to buy. If you bought USD here, it should be massive profit, or it should have closed with profit. I'm still having that idea that we might, and we're still going to buy USD for the longest of time. We have elections. Okay, let me not talk about South Africa. But what I'm looking at here, when you're having markets giving you lower lows and higher highs, this is the idea that you might have. Lower lows and higher highs, this is the idea that you're going to have, which is a triangle, right? Triangle. This triangle is expected to bounce here and come down. Maybe have the last bounce here, then do this, or come down towards the downside, right? So these are two ideas, or maybe from here, we towards the top side, right? Good stuff. Let me check here in the comments. And I don't understand anything in this meeting, so can I have tutorials for beginners? Okay, there is a beginner guide that I sent in the group. I'm going to send it once again. I sent it on the Telegram channel. That beginner guide is going to guide you in terms of where you in terms of what they do when it's trading. I'm going to send it once again. And then once again, for those who, for those of you who are familiar with what's going on in the market, that are looking to sharpen their skill in the Forex market, this coming weekend we are in Bank. Do make sure that you are booking your seat. If you're coming online, if you're going to be with us online, you are going to get a 50% discount. It means 50% discount only this week, Sunday. And then if you are coming to the office, then it's going to be 35% discount. It's going to be 1,999 for the office and 1.5 for the online session, which is much cheaper if you come online. Right, Gustav, do we have other things to look at? Let me look at ADST. ADST is very interesting. ADST. Let me just take this one and tell them anything. Okay. Then speaking. Okay, cool. So AGSD is very interesting at the moment. Let's go to 15 minutes. Seems like we have missed out some beautiful things going on here. But the beautiful thing is that we have some sort of a wedge here, breakout, right? Now, the most dangerous thing is to trade the breakout strategy, right? Trading a breakout is very dangerous. I do explain that in some of my videos. Yeah. Ish. Wonder how to do this out. Even though we can talk about selling this money, but for me, like we already late. Okay, I don't like missing out on trades. Somebody spoke about the head and shoulders yesterday, and I chose not to believe them on TikTok. Somebody spoke about the head and shoulders, but I chose not to believe them. Well, I should have believed them, but not that much. This is Bitcoin. I think they were looking to scalp. I think if they did sell, it was a good sell. Now the head and shoulders is now more risky to take a sell. This is Bitcoin. I'm not talking about investing here. It's about Bitcoin. Very volatile. very volatile crypto currency. Well, there's much more cryptos out there that are very volatile. Okay, the money is in the waiting. The money is in the waiting, and we're not looking to be, we're not looking to do that. We're not looking to be right, we're looking to make money, right? Trading is not about being right, it's about making. So that's all for now. That's all for now. Let's see if this afternoon. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. So for those who are joining me this coming weekend, please do join me, Rose Bank, or online, you join me in Rose Bank or online. I'll be going into deeper details where I refuse to look at the Forex and financial market, how to spot all these things and how to trade them. Stop giving people your money, right? Stop giving people money to trade for you. Stop giving and stop buying signals. Buy the education. Invest in yourself, not in signals. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you so much for joining me. It's your one and only Ngubam Tiane. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom. Oh, hello, sir. If you attend live, you teach us MetaTrader 4. Yes, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the risk, yes. All the risk, we talk about everything. Risk, everything. We will discuss all of those things. So I'm gonna send in this recorded session on the group. If you are seeing this on the group, please do like this video and subscribe to this channel YouTube to see some more of the education. Remember, it is your one and only Ngubam Tiane, CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.